The current time is 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, radar indicated strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northeast of Ranquitos, Las Lomas to near Texas A&M International University to 7 miles west of Columbia Bridge. Movement was south at 15 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 30 miles per hour and half-inch hail are possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Laredo, Encino, Rio Bravo, Los Tiendas, Laredo International Airport, Bobbins, Unitec Industrial Park, La Esperanza Ranch Airport, Ranchos Canitas West, Columbia Bridge, United South High School, Texas A&M International University, Aguilars, Ranquitos Las Lomas, St. Augustine High School South Laredo, Doctors Hospital of Laredo, Laredo Country Club, Laredo Community College, Orville and Callahan. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Here are the noon South Texas weather odds. 80%. Formation chance through 5 days. High, 90%. At 1:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, radar indicated strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 miles north of Oilton to 8 miles southeast of Texas A&M International University to 10 miles southwest of Columbia Bridge. Movement was south at 5 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 30 miles per hour and pea-sized hail are possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Laredo, Encino, Rio Bravo, El Cenizo, Los Tiendas, Laredo International Airport, Bobbins, Unitec Industrial Park, Mirando City, Ranchos Canitas West, Oilton, Columbia Bridge, United South High School, Texas A&M International University, Aguilars, Ranquitos Las Lomas, St. Augustine High School South Laredo, Doctors Hospital of Laredo, Laredo Country Club and Bruni. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Here are the 90%. At 2:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, radar indicated strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Mirando City to 13 miles southwest of Aguilars to St. Augustine High School, South Laredo. Movement was southeast at 20 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 30 miles per hour and pea-sized hail are possible with these storms. Heavy rainfall is also possible. Locations impacted include Laredo, Rio Bravo, El Cenizo, Laredo International Airport, Mirando City, Oilton, United South High School, Texas A&M International University, Aguilars, St. Augustine High School South Laredo, Laredo Country Club, Bruni, and Laredo Community College. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. At 2:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms across southern Webb County, moving south to southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Pea-sized hail and winds in excess of 30 miles per hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Zapata, Hebronville, Bustamante, Medina, Zapata High School, Rondado, Zapata Middle School, South Fork Estates, Siesta Shores, and Zapata County Public Library. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service office in Brownsville. Through 4 p.m., slow-moving showers and thunderstorms may move into Zapata and Jim Hogg counties over the next couple of hours with small hail and locally heavy rainfall.
They should be testing in.
Normal high temperature for
They should be
today
testing
is
in
100
10,
degrees,
9,
and the normal
8,
low is
7,
77.
6,
The record
5,
high for
4,
today is 110,
3,
which occurred
2,
in
1,
1909, and
go.
the record low is 66. alarm system. This test is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time, unless there is severe weather in the area, in which case the test is postponed until Thursday. Again, this is only a test. There is no severe weather in the area at this time. The current time is 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Here are the 10 a.m. South Texas weather observations. At Laredo, sunny.
This is basically your normal required weekly test from Corpus.